Alright, this is the MK2 controller. Just updated the firmware to 34 from 22 or 21 or 24 to 34. And now the contrast and brightness, well, the brightness works. Brightness, dim, bright, dim, bright. So brightness slider works. As for the contrast, left and right, it's like the left side only works if I try to bring up the right side. It goes all the way. As soon as I hit the left side, it drops the right side. And now I could barely see the screens, and even the adjustments are not making it brighter. I'm not able to see the screen. I mean, you could see the screen on my phone, but with your eyes, it's kind of hard to see. So I don't know what the heck happened to my Maschine controller. Anyways, just wanted to record this and provide more info, and I hope you guys can help out. Thank you. Bye.